To fix, System Restore did not complete successfully on Windows 11. Right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run box, type msconfig and press Enter. When the System Configuration window opens, go to the Boot tab. Check the box next to Safe Boot and make sure the Minimal option is selected. Now click Apply, then click OK, and restart your computer. Once Windows starts in safe mode, right-click on the Start button again and select Run. This time, type rstrui.exe and press Enter. When the System Restore window opens, click Next. Check Show More Restore Points, then select the restore point you want to use. Click Next, then click Finish, and allow System Restore to complete. Do not turn off or restart your computer while the restore process is running. Once System Restore is finished, open msconfig. Again, go to the Boot tab, uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, then click OK. Restart your computer, and Windows should start normally. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.